Namaste and Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to St. Jude's Convent School, Shakut. This is a new year, a new beginning, and the things will change. Dear Reverend Father Berson Joy, our Director, Reverend Sister Delphi Joseph, our Principal, Reverend Sister Samitha, Reverend Sister Madhuri, dear teachers, parents, and my dear students, a very good morning to one and all. Welcome to the another exciting school year 2021 and 2022 at St. Jude's Convent School, Shakut. As we gather here this morning to begin with the new academic school year, we look around and greet the new faces and hearty welcome to them. Today is a Vidya Aram ceremony of our tiny tots. So now let's pray together for the new beginning, as the prayer is the most important conversation with God. So let's be in the reflection of God's love through this prayer song. Light of the earth, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see beauty that made this heart adore you. Open my eyes, let me view. Here I am to worship, here I am to go down, here I am to say that you're my Lord. You are together lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. Here I am to worship, here I am to go down, here I am to say that you're my Lord. You are together lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me.
Light removes the darkness. Light brings life. Light brings us knowledge and wisdom. Now I request to Reverend Father Berson Joy, our Director, Reverend Sister Delphi Joseph, our Principal, our Staff Secretary, Mrs. Meena, Parents Representative, Mrs. Charu, Mr. Rohit Sopti, and class in charges of nursery class to light the lamp. Dance is the hidden language of the soul and the best way of expressing our feelings. So here comes Judean with their mesmerizing performance.
Vidya Aram is a Hindu tradition which introduces young children into the world of knowledge, letters and process of learning.
ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਮੁਸਕਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਮਿਲਾਵਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ। ਅਧਿਆਪਕ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਬਲੈਸਡ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਹਨ ਜੋ ਆਪਣਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਗੁਜ਼ਾਰਦੇ ਹਨ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਿਦਿਆ ਆਰੰਭ ਸਮਾਰੋਹ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਵਿਦਿਆ ਆਰੰਭ ਸਮਾਰੋਹ ਇੱਕ ਹਿੰਦੂ ਰੀਤੀ ਰਿਵਾਜ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਛੋਟੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਲਿਖਣਾ ਸਿਖਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਕਿ ਛੋਟੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਲਿਖਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ। ਸੋ ਆਓ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਰੇ ਰਲ ਕੇ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰੀਏ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਿਦਿਆ ਦਾ ਭਰਪੂਰ ਦਾਨ ਪ੍ਰਦਾਨ ਕਰਨ।
Teachers and my dear students, St. Jude's Convent School cordially invite our tiny kids to this new academic session 2021-22. I, Father Betson Joy, the director of the school, on behalf of the school management, specially invite you to this academic session so that you may be able to achieve the goal that you are aspiring for. Of course, we are in a crucial time and we are in a crisis because of COVID-19. In fact, we all are staying safe at home and we are taking the maximum measures to be safe from this COVID-19. But dear parents, I believe that you have a trust on St. Jude's Convent School, Shakot. And because of your trust on us, the children are sent to the school in order to achieve their goal, what they are aspiring for. In fact, I welcome you all, and also I believe that as we are starting Vidyarambha, which means the beginning of education, today your children are going to earn and they are going to benefit from the school. And it is because of your cooperation your children are going to benefit. It is because of your love and concern for the school that we are going to work together. We are going to work together in order to bring up our children. So dear parents, I believe that you will have a good time this year and the coming years too. And your children, of course, are going to benefit from the school. We have very much efficient teachers. We have very much efficient other staff here. And because of their service to the school, I believe that your children are going to benefit. So God bless you. Have a good day. And I wish all the best to all our tiny kids for the new academic session 2021-22. So have a good time, good year. God bless you. Thank you.
Dance is the joy of movement and heart of life. Now again here we present one more wonderful dance performance. So let us enjoy the beauty of dance.
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे फट जाएगा कि बह
of the day to dear Reverend Father Betson Joy, our director, Reverend Sister Delphi Joseph, our principal, Reverend Sister Smitha, Reverend Sister Madhuri, worthy teachers, parents, and dear little birds. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks speech and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really very hard to make our Tiny Toads first day in school special. I would like to thank our management for arranging this program and all the lovely teachers to take initiative to make this Vidya Aram ceremony a successful function. Once again, I would like to welcome the new birds of flower to Julian's family. Thank you everyone.